If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Singer, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any verification emails from Singer. Sometimes, the verification process requires you to confirm your email address. Look for an email with a verification link and click on it. Step 2. Review your account information. Log into your Singer account and check that all your personal information is correctly filled out. Inaccurate or incomplete information can delay the verification process. Step 3. Resubmit your documents. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after checking your email and account information, reach out to Singer EOS customer support. Provide them with details about your account and the verification issue for assistance. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After taking the necessary steps, be patient and wait for confirmation from Singer. Verification processes can take some time, so check back regularly for updates on your account status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Singer. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team.